Hi, my name is Paul Garcia. I'm from Bryan College Station, and I'm the owner of Keep It Clean. We're a part of the Eco Wash group. Starting this business for me means that we're going to help our city and our surrounding areas keep it clean, the environment, the water systems, just making it look better for our future generation. This is just our way of pitching in for our kids and grandkids. First was introduced to this type of industry, I was looking for someone that was going to be able to answer the questions that I had, to help me through future problems, to grow, to plan, just to be there when I need help, and to coach me through these things. I found the support I need from Greg and Betsy and the Eco Wash group. It's important for me to get the information that I need for future problems, and I think that Greg and Betsy are going to be there for me for that. So I think that it's a good choice in buying equipment from them. Yes, we will definitely come back to buy equipment from Greg and Betsy. They've been really, really great so far, so we're excited. My advice to anyone that's wanting to get in this industry is to do your homework. Make sure that you understand what you're preparing for. Don't cut yourself short, and always remember to have the idea to grow, because this is going to grow and it's going to grow, and you got to be prepared.